eNCA reporter Cathy Mohlahlana has been following this story and joins us live from Pretoria. Well, hello again, Cathy. What can you tell us since the last time we spoke to you?
Well, in the past couple of minutes or so, Mabali, we've had one of the family members of Madiba leave the hospital that we're stationed at in Pretoria. It's believed to be his granddaughter, Ndileka Mandela. She was seen coming into the hospital over an hour ago, and media just waited for the car she was in to leave. And she's one family member that we've seen so far today. Of course, yesterday his daughter Ziwe was also spotted here, and Deputy President Cathy Mohlahlana was also seen here. He's his spokesperson confirming that he was here, but saying that it had nothing to do with the fact that it's believed Madiba was being treated here, and that he was here for his own doctor's appointment. Now, at this stage, of course, the family still not confirming who has been here to see him. Neither is the presidency confirming any information about who's been here to see Mandela, only saying that his wife, Graça Machel, has been by his side since he was re-hospitalized in the early hours of yesterday morning.
So, Cathy, what do we know of Madiba's grandson's whereabouts, Mandela? What do we know about him?
Well, we understand that Mandela is actually in the Eastern Cape in Mvezo. He was attending a soccer tournament, a local soccer tournament there. We at this stage are still again they're referring all comments even about Mandela's health back to the presidency. The family is not saying anything at this particular stage. They're centralizing the communication from the official perspective, which at this stage doesn't look promising, because this morning the presidency's Mac Maharaj said that around noon we should expect an update about how Madiba is doing, as he hadn't spoken to the doctors. When we spoke to him about an hour ago, he said that the update that he wanted to give at noon wasn't going to happen, but he couldn't commit either to telling us when exactly we could expect an update, instead sounding a bit skeptical about whether or not there would in fact be another update released today. So what we're told right now is that we must assume that the situation remains the same until we're told that it has been changed.
Cathy, you mentioned that Cathy Mohlahlana was spotted in the area. I'm sure questions are being asked as to if and when President Jacob Zuma will make his appearance.
Well, President Jacob Zuma was in the Eastern Cape yesterday afternoon attending to a private matter. There were reports last night that he was going to come and see Madiba once he made his way back from the Eastern Cape, but we understand that those plans were cancelled. He is at the presidential guest house in Pretoria, we understand from this morning. Officially, no word again about whether or not he's actually going to come and visit him. Yesterday, Mac Maharaj had said that the president would come and see Madiba once the doctors had given him the green light to do so.
All right, thank you very much to our eNCA reporter, Cathy Mohlahlana.
News that moves. eNCA.com.